Hi, Laura. Can I quickly update you on the changes to visiting hours starting next week?
Sure, Mihira. I heard something about longer hours.
Well, yes and no. The public announcement says visiting will now be from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., but in practice, it's staggered. Critical care patients still have restricted slots, 1 hour visits, twice daily, and maternity will have partners allowed for extended stays, but only after mid-morning checks.
That sounds a bit complicated. How are we managing crowd control, especially in general wards?
That's the thing. While hours are more flexible, there's a cap. No more than 2 visitors per patient at a time, and reception will issue visitor passes. Plus, during therapy sessions or doctor's rounds, visiting must pause. Staff will have authority to ask visitors to step out.
So, Mihira, technically it's extended, but with a lot of conditions attached?
Exactly. We're trying to encourage family presence without disrupting clinical routines. But I expect some families might feel misled by the announcement if we don't explain it properly at ward level.
Mihira, I understand you've asked to move to a different bed, and I truly want you to be as comfortable as possible. Right now, the most important thing for your recovery is for us to stay in our current location. I know it's not ideal, but the reason is very specific and caring for your safety. Because getting up and walking to the bathroom is not possible for you just yet, we need to have the commode and urine bottle close by to ensure you are safe from a fall. Your safety is our absolute top priority. There is another very important reason we are in this spot, and it's connected to your care. You've been on a new medication to help your body get rid of that extra fluid that's been causing the swelling in your legs, which we call edema. For us to know if this medicine is working perfectly for you, we need to be able to carefully measure every bit of your urine. Mihira, it might seem like a small detail, but the volume of urine you pass gives us crucial information. It tells us if the medication dose is correct, if your body is responding well, and it shows us clearly that the swelling is going down, which is a fantastic sign of healing. Think of it as our most important gauge to see how effectively your body is recovering. By staying here and allowing us to measure everything, you are actively helping us fine-tune your treatment. I know this can feel inconvenient, and I thank you so much for your patience and cooperation. We are partners in this, and every step we take together is to get you stronger and back on your feet.